Let's take a look at the studio unit that we stayed in at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun, Mexico. Coming right up. Hello, I'm Jeremy and welcome to the Destination Timeshare YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the studio unit at the Westin Lagunamar in Cancun, Mexico. The first thing you'll see when entering the unit is this well-appointed kitchen area, with the 2-burner cooktop, refrigerator, and everything else that you would need. The only thing lacking in here is that there is no oven, though there is a microwave convection oven in the unit. As we take a look around the rest of the kitchen and then head into the bathroom area, if you like timeshare tips, resort reviews, villa tours, and industry news, consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell while you're at it so you're notified whenever I upload new videos. This spacious bathroom has a large soaking tub, ample vanity, and a huge walk-in shower area. This unit also provides an in-room laundry with plenty of laundry detergent to get you through your stay. Now let's move into the main living area. The studio unit only has a queen-size bed, which is perhaps the biggest drawback of this unit type. A large flat-screen television with all the media connections, USB and power outlets are perfect to keep all your gadgets charged during your stay. Also, plenty of storage is provided with an in-room safe behind this closet door. There's also a large couch and small sitting area. The floor is tiled throughout the unit. Now let's take a look at the view from the patio that includes a small patio table and a couple of chairs to relax on and take in the beautiful view of the property and the Caribbean Sea. So there you have it, the studio unit at the Westin Lagunamar. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.